Mahomet, Tragedie by Voltaire. Act 3, Scene 10. Zauper says, "The desperate youth is gone. I know not why, but my heart beats for his distress, his looks, his pity, his remorse, his every action affect me deeply. I must follow him." One of the things, like if you draw the difference between a noctulian and an arcturian, a noctulian would go beyond their sensations. They would go beyond their emotions and, act and believe accordingly in a spiritual way, not for, acknowledgement by things of this material world. An Arcturian would no, they're a circus master. They want the approval of the world. Their emotions, their thoughts are, what justify things in their eyes.